Welcome to Monster Property Services, the GTA's year-round solution for flawless, worry-free property care. We plan, maintain, and elevate your property with unmatched consistency season after season. Our lawn and land care plan provides the full maintenance package your property needs to look sharp and clean. Lawn cutting, debris and leaf pickup, edging, trimming, and complete property detailing on every visit. Plus, you can add our garden and plant care package to include coverage for soil beds, weeding, pruning, basic tree work, and full season attention to the health of all your plants. Both packages include multiple rounds of spring and fall cleanups, debris collection and bagging disposed of on-site or hauled away. With flexible weekly or bi-weekly scheduling and full-service customization, every visit is photographed, logged, and tracked so you always know exactly what was done and when. Monster can handle any commercial or residential property. Behind it all is our powerhouse team of trained professionals, a modern fleet of equipment, and a deeply organized operation built on reliability, consistency, and trust. Monster Property Services, managed care, visible results. Get your free quote today and experience the Monster difference.